Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore a deleted file in Google Drive on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribing the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly, here of course you just have to go to this Google Drive, and as you can see there are only one folders on my Google Drive here guys, because I have deleted for many files before. So if you want to restore your file, actually if you delete it from the Google Drive page, will move to the trash folder, I guess. If you want to restore it, you just have to go to the trash folder here at the top left. Go to this trash folder. And this is the files that I have deleted before. If you want to restore it, you just have to choose for the files. For example, I'm gonna restore for all files. I'm gonna select all, and now tap on this three dots icon at the top right. Now you can see at the pop-up which is the restore option. Just tap on it and it will be restored automatically. There are move to the home page for the Google Drive, I guess, as you can see like this. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.